My name is Trent Johnson and I use Ponder from SHAC Solutions. As an acreage owner and a parent, it is my responsibility to ensure healthy water for my family, and of course that includes the water in our pond. This pond on our property is filled with irrigation water from a canal. The water coming in is pretty low quality because of the runoff from all the fields. It's filled with fertilizers and whatnot. While it is a necessary part of farming, it makes for poor household water. This can lead to the accumulation of organic pond sludge, and this sludge is what's causing most, if not all, of my water problems. Sludge is a natural byproduct in any water ecosystem, and when you have standing water site like my pond here, this sludge causes cloudiness and an unpleasant odor if not treated. Now the sludge is going to happen either way because of things like dead algae, weeds from the canal, and leaves falling into the water. They all settle into the bottom and over time will break down and create cloudiness, the right conditions for algae and weed growth, and a funky smell. It's not unusual to have to deal with these things in a standing water environment like my pond here. What is unusual is finding a product that works to reduce these problems in an eco-friendly and sustainable way. Over the years we've tried different solutions to address these issues, but once we tried Ponder we never looked back. For us, Ponder was a clear win. The cloudiness was greatly reduced in one season. The algae, offensive odors haven't been an issue since we started using Ponder. And overall the level of pond sludge have been greatly reduced. Ponder fixed our problem, but for the best part it's safe for all aquatic life, the environment, and most importantly my family. Even the four-legged family members are going to be just fine when they go for a swim in the pond. Also, application is a breeze. All I do is shake the jug, pour it in a pail, and toss it out. It really doesn't get any easier than that. With Ponder we've been able to reduce the sludge and turn back the clock to when our pond was new and had very few problems to no problems. We've been using Ponder for 3 years now and I wouldn't change anything. My name is Trent Johnson and I highly recommend SHAC Ponder. Ponder, the power of nature in a bottle.